Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer looking at a live shot. Yep, we're looking at over downtown Grand Rapids, but you almost can't even see anything because we've got fog that has formed. Temperatures are in the low 70s this morning, so it is a very mild morning. It's also on the muggy side as well. We've got dew points that are holding steady in the upper 60s to low 70s this morning as well. And with those temps and dew points so close together, that's why we are seeing the visibility issue starting to develop. Visibility now less than a mile officially in Grand Rapids, a half-mile visibility in Holland, down to 0 still from Fremont to Newaygo, 1.25 miles in Big Rapids. So the bottom line here, we will be looking at some areas of dense fog. Visibility will be improving as we move through the next couple of hours. Now that the sun is up, we will see temperatures warm, and as a result, the moisture in the atmosphere that has now condensed at the surface, which is why we're seeing the fog, will gradually be absorbed by the atmosphere, and that will allow the visibility to improve very quickly. So far this month, we've seen most of the days with temperatures above average. We did have a stretch that took us into the end of last week, the middle of the month, that had temperatures 5 days in a row below average, but that really the exception rather than the rule for this month of July. We're kicking off today another stretch of high temps at or above 90 degrees, so another heat wave is what we are tracking. So the beginning stages today of a heat wave that'll take us right into Tuesday. The overall pattern is going to be mostly dry, though we will see some isolated shower and thunderstorm chances at times, not terribly impressive and not terribly widespread. And the overall atmosphere will turn cooler and less humid as we close out the week, with high temps in the upper 70s as we head into the end of the week and lows in the 50s. Precip chances, again, very low over the next several days. Not much in the way of rain chances, but again, they're not completely zero either. So make sure that you stay weather aware if you do have outdoor activities planned. But again, the big story is going to be the heat and humidity returning. The comfortable weather here for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll be in the low to mid 80s for highs, so close to or a little above average as we head into the first weekend of August. Today, dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s tomorrow, mid to upper 60s as we head into Tuesday, and then by Wednesday we'll start to see those dew points drop off, and that's when that comfortable air is going to start to settle in. Today, looking at those scattered showers and thunderstorms left over from last night's precipitation continuing to drop off to the south, and we will see an area of high pressure in control of our weather. Now here's a look at the future track. You can see we're completely dry for today. There will be some clusters of showers and storms that develop upstream, and if any of that activity holds together overnight tonight, a few isolated showers may arrive into West Michigan very early tomorrow morning, but they'll be in the process of falling apart. If any additional rain develops tomorrow, it'll likely be along and east of the US 131 corridor. And then as we head through the day on Tuesday, once again, another cluster of showers and storms back to our west. A stray shower, not impossible for Tuesday, but really not very likely. And by Tuesday afternoon and evening, we'll see a good deal of sunshine returning. Lake Michigan will be a great destination today. Water temps in the 70s, waves calm to just a foot or so. And again, that 7-day forecast shows the heat front end loaded this week, and then the pleasant weather returning, taking us into next week.